Hey guys, it's time to take a look at the latest Samsung news. With Galaxy Note 9 out of the picture, the focus is set and locked on the 10th anniversary Galaxy S10 Trio. The design is still dope. Today we're gonna see the laboratory design of the Galaxy S10, which is still in works, but it definitely shows that it has gone beyond infinity. While Apple continues to embrace the notch, Samsung is cutting down the bezels on its next flagship and making its own infinity bar. So let's take a look at the key exciting leak. First up is the design. Samsung was thinking about it ever since they released the Galaxy Note 8. With that being said, it's still in discussion. Nothing is in final conclusion. It all depends on the sales of the Note 9. How will the Note 9 perform this year will decide whether they're going to do the unification or not. This time the S Pen is getting improvements. We are having Bluetooth functionality. The Galaxy Note 9's S Pen will also going to be inside the new confirmed that there will indeed be 3 Galaxy S10 models, and it's going to be similar to Apple's 2018 lineup, meaning you will have a 5.8-inch Galaxy S10, the base S10, and then a 6.1-inch Galaxy S10, and then the biggest models are coming with 2 Galaxy S10 models, the Beyond 1 and Beyond 2, aka Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, and the base S10 Lite is coming with only 2 cameras on the back, which is going to be wide angle and super wide angle, so no telephoto zoom lens with the base Galaxy S10 model. So as of now, this is what you can expect the Galaxy S10 to look like based on the current information, and again, it is not finalized. The November is the month for that, so we're probably going to see some more leaks regarding the design, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest info. Next up is, so now they are doing it for the Galaxy. Pretty cool. And not to forget, Samsung is also working on the foldable smartphone, so that might take some of the load off of their shoulders with just having to worry about the S lineup. Again, it all comes down to the Note 9 sales. How they're going to perform will decide the unification. Also, the Galaxy S10 could get even more divine by getting the front dual camera setup for better bokeh selfies and possibly for wide angle selfie capabilities. According are super huge, and I honestly think if you can hold up right now, it will definitely going to be worth your money because of all the upgrades and all the features we are seeing. For the release date of the S10, it is expected to be around at MWC 2019 in Barcelona in the month of or in the future. Also, Ice Universe tweeted out saying that according to sources, Galaxy S10 will be having 5G. Based on the Beyond 2 development, they are adding a 5G baseband. It's going to be the most expensive Galaxy S10 model. The same reports also says that angle, super wide angle, and an optical zoom lens. Now in order, first one is going to be the tele zoom lens on the left, extreme left with 2x range. Middle one is going to be your normal wide angle lens. Its specs are the same as the current Galaxy S9 family, which is f1.5 aperture / f2.4 variable aperture setup. And on the right we have the super wide angle lens, which is 16 megapixel sensor coming at f1.9 aperture with no optical image stabilization or autofocus. So exploded, and we all speculated that Samsung might be bringing the Note lineup in the S lineup, introducing it as a new product entirely. DJ Ko himself at the event where he was spotted with the Note 9, he said that the optical fingerprint scanner is not good for user experience. It's kind of inconsistent and not dependable, which is why Samsung waited, and they're going to use the better ultrasonic fingerprint solution for the Galaxy S10 family. Now, Qualcomm's ultrasonic tech was tested by CNET. It actually uses sound waves to generate a map of your fingerprint. It can scan the finger even if it's wet, which is something that the finger scan on the Vivo phone cannot do. And it has a lag time of just 250 milliseconds and has a 1% rejection rate. And it's about vision and local communication chipmaker GigaLane. So it's a good news that Samsung is bringing 5G with the Galaxy S10 Plus, a separate 5G model, and it's going to be released where the 5G will be available. I mean, if there is no 5G in your country, then the S10 Plus 5G will be useless. So it depends on that, and yeah, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10. All the leaks and rumors. This is the lab design. One of the variants
will be having 5G on board, and it's pretty much checking all the boxes, triple camera. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.